wainue biashara.
Tukisalia kwenye suala hilo, kinara wa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya Raila Odinga ameshtumu matamshi ya Inspekta Jenerali wa Polisi IG Koome kwamba viongozi wa Azimio walifeki vifo vya waandamanaji wake na kulaumu polisi. Odinga akisema waandamanaji waliouawa walipigwa risasi na polisi. Odinga pia alisema kikosi chake cha mazungumzo kiko tayari kwa mazungumzo hapo kesho katika ukumbi wa Bomas.
And it is actually very disappointing to see a statement from Inspector General of Police, Mr. Koome, saying that we hired dead bodies to accuse police of brutality. I don't know in which world he lives. Because the bodies we've been burying have bullet wounds on them. And death certificates confirming the cause of death. One whose neck was just chopped off in Sondo. Another one was a victim of arrow attack. So these are real deaths of human beings killed by Mr. Koome's goons. With this reality in mind, we have put in place a technical and legal team to support our delegation to the dialogue. Consequently, we have settled on Honorable Jeremiah Kioni, the Secretary General of the Jubilee Party, to head the legal and technical team to the talks. We have tasked our delegation and our technical teams under the able leadership of His Excellency Kalonzo and Kioni to go to these talks with courage of and open minds. We stand for transparent, above board and speedy talks guided by decorum, honesty and respect for the people of Kenya.
Viongozi wa makanisa mbalimbali na